Hi! In front of me is TCL 406, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And click on your photos right away. This way you can add all of those. Or, quite opposite, remove them from your message. If you wish to, you can also select the gallery section, pick your photos over here and tap on Add at the top right corner. Or click on Gallery, select Folders and look for your photos in all of those sources located at the top left corner. Like for example, recent files. You can even select Images filter at the top to make it easier. When you're ready, hold your photo that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!